The next folk item would be Kamsale from the state of Karnataka. Mahadishwara is the presiding deity of a hamlet in Karnataka. The Jangamas, or the wandering mendicants, who are Shiva Bhaktas, go about the village asking for food which they share among the poor before they feed themselves on the remains that they consider as prasad. A brass plate and a brass cup that was used to seek alms were rhythmically clashed to the accompaniment of songs that extolled the Leelas of Lord Mahadeshwara. This was done while waiting for the offerings in front of every house. Slowly, this clang and song became a traditional folk art in itself and were practiced with a touch of dance and acrobatics, which we see today in the region. The song is in the praise of Lord Shiva. Kamsale, the next folk item. the folk items. The next item would be Praharana Pranam. Many warriors of yore in India practiced the art of war and the art of dance as a regime of exercise. The practices were perfected to display a range of rage to the rigors of rhythm. The dance uses the motifs of Tang Ta and Kalari Payattu, two great martial art forms of India that is considered as mother of all martial arts of the world. The dancers perform as an act of obeisance to the great warriors who wielded the sword and the shield. Praharana Pranam, the next folk item. I'd just like to give you a small gist about this program. When we were planning for a complete performance schedule in the US, most of us had like a set of about 10 to 12 programs set for each venue. And this Praharana Pranam was featuring in all the venues which we were wanting to do programs in. And actually, Praharana Pranam, I don't know if somebody can really translate that into English, means martial arts. So, what we had actually done was, when we had provided the schedule, it was written martial arts everywhere. So, we said that probably we should not use that word martial arts, because when we actually go down to fill our forms for the US consulate, one of the questions asked there is, are you all guys trained in martial arts or no? And you know, there are so many questions they ask. They are all more column based, but still, to avoid those questions, we changed the name to Praharana Pranam. In fact, the shields and the swords which we are seeing in the hands of the dancers are very real. They are made of steel and metal, and we had to bring a lot of documents to support this cause. A letter from a dance academy saying that these equipments are very safe and only used for dance on the stage. And apart from that, we have to also get photographs of the gods and demons fighting, and to be safe that when we are here asked some questions in the customs, we would like to say that we'd like to depict the gods and demons fighting on stage, and the good always wins over evil, which is what it should be. And that's a small thing which I would like to share with you. But everything went off well. The customs guys didn't ask us anything. I think they are used to a lot of dancers bringing equipments like these. So the next folk item, Praharana Pranam.
Sure, you're all enjoying the performances. I have been coming to the US for past over 10 years now, a decade, and I have been presenting performances by groups of visually challenged individuals. It has always been our endeavor to see that we could bring a variety of performances so that the audience not only look our programs with a sympathetic view or empathetic view, but also they're able to enjoy and get entertained. If you had made a very close observation of the various items we presented, we had a fantastic variety. I'm sure you agree with me. Because if you start off with the Bharatanatyam, we had so many different items there, the Malari, the Shatchakra, and the different kind of Tilana. And we had two Kathak performance, which was partially into the between because we wanted to give an inclusive performance showing wonderfully talented artists also dedicated to the cause. And we had folk dances, you might have witnessed Kolata, and also you have witnessed Kamsale, which is a very different item, which is a very real theme portrayal of the things happening in Madheshwara. And also the martial arts is an extremely different item, brings you memories of the old age where the warriors used to perform. So it has been extremely well concocted, well conceived, planned, and believe me, the students have put in a lot of efforts to make sure that they could give their best. And their effort, the dedicated, disciplined, and devoted, hard-working effort, I'm sure has paid off. And that's all we need when we see an audience, that you give them a wonderful reception to support their cause. So please give them one big round of applause for all this. Because, thank you very much. Because whenever we hear the audience clap, that's the only beautiful music for our ears, and that's the only thing which makes us feel so vindicated about what all we had planned and conceived. And because this whole process could go wrong anywhere, but we never lose heart. We are always eternal optimists as we should be with our limitations. But we always achieve because you, the audience, are very important for us. We believe that you are God. Without your presence, we couldn't achieve anything. So your presence is very important to us. Your reviews are important to us. Your comments are important to us. Your suggestions and your support will go a long way to support us and encourage us to give many more such performances so that not only could you be enjoyed and entertained, but also the core value of our performance with our theme, the empowerment of the girl child and help and support to the girl child, is very well highlighted, and we can strive much more harder to make sure that we achieve our goals and aspirations to support the cause. You are an elite and generous audience. I do not want to keep repeating, but each dollar you donate is an extra value to these kids. 100% of whatever you donate generously goes in for the welfare of these kids, and it will be my endeavor to see that we do much more to strive very hard to make sure that we achieve our goals. Thank you all very much, and we have another two folk dances. Before that, I would like